So if you're asking, how can I shift my mindset so that I can thrive more, so that I am happier, so that I am more joyful, that I'm more abundant? Well, really, it's quite simple. The first step is one, you got to care more about how you feel, because how you feel is the quickest way to decide, to determine where your mindset is. You want to change your mindset. If you're wanting to change your mindset and you want to change your mindset, it's because you want to feel better. So first step, care more about how you feel, because if you can catch when you're not feeling great, that's a cue. It's an indicator that, oh, I need to shift right now, because it's probably just the mindset I'm holding. So step number one, care more about how you feel, because how you feel is telling you where your mind is. Step number two, once you recognize, oh, I'm kind of in a funky place right now. It's because of my mindset. Then you have to ask, well, what is it that I want to feel? Well, I want to feel joyful. I want to feel happy. And so the second step is you have to decide, well, what do I want to feel right now? I don't want to feel dejected. I don't want to feel rejected. I don't want to feel demotivated or not valued. Okay, I want to feel respected. Great. So the moment you identify what you want to feel, that's the second step. Okay, so now I know where I'm going to head. And then the third step is to shift your mindset fully. That's when you have to create a whole new narrative around who you are, what you're up to, pointing in the direction of that desired feeling state. Because the only reason you're not feeling great due to that mindset you were holding is because of the stories you're telling about what's going on. So if you can say, hey, you know what, I want to feel respected. So then you start telling new stories, new narratives about, oh, well, you know what? I have this sort of experience going on in my life, and I have this person that reflects back my value. And the moment you can shift the narratives relative to what you want to be feeling, that's when your mindset shifts. So step one, care more about how you feel. Step two, identify what you want to feel. Step three, create new narratives around that feeling and how it's present in your life now.